and welcome back to beenTHEREmate. We are going to show you today none other than the Aqua Park. So this is actually located, funny enough, on the Aqua Park side of the Rixos hotel. So there are two parts to this hotel. If you stay on this side, this is more for the kids' entertainment, and then the main side is where you've got the bigger, food outlet and evening entertainment as such. So if you want the kids' park as well as the Aqua Park, we're going to go and show you how it all looks now. So let's go. This is how you come in through the gates from this side. You've got a little kids, let's call them kids club over there. Here's the main gate. First slide you come across is this one here, where you can go up there with a dinghy, shoots you down there. Pretty cool fun. This first slide here to your right is a vertical slide. So this is the one where you stand on a platform. I'll show you a bit more as we go past it there. We'll go to the right first and then we'll rotate back around the left hand side. Giant shark there, which is good for photos. So if you can see that slide there, if I zoom in maybe, you'll see there's a platform. You stand in it. Really good fun actually. You stand in it and and it just drops, the floor just below you drops. So pretty cool slide there. Sun lounges as well here if the parents want to chill in the pool while the kids are going down the slides. If you've got older kids, teenagers, that sort of thing. To the slides here you have to go down on a mat, and the big blue one you go on the rubber dinghy again. So for the other two slides you go on this little mat here, and then dinghy for the big blue one. And over the opposite side you've got quite a few varied slides here. Again, plenty of sun lounges if you want to chill this side of the pool. Then we have another two slides here that you can use with the rubber dinghies. Got a nice Finding Nemo there. Look, fish and chips, quite funny. Dory there. Right, so you've got here a big, I think it's a 6-man dinghy. 6 of you can go down that big blue one on a big massive dinghy. And then you've got 3 other little chutes here towards the end. I don't know if you can see them. If I go a bit further, you'll see them better. There you have it. There's 3 separate tubes there. It's good if you want a little race with the family. And then you've got the big massive one here, the big dinghy as well. And if we rotate around this side, you'll see the, it's called wave pool, that's the word I was looking for. There's some cool statues and ornaments around this park as well. Look, you've got a shark there lying down laughing. From Finding Nemo again, I think. Or was it Shark's Tail maybe? The wave pool, if you have a little look, it's only open for certain hours. They're your hours. It's only 15 minutes 4 times a day. So if you want to come to the wave pool, don't miss your chance, because it's only on for basically 1 hour a day if you do the maths. Got all the monkeys up there, look, chimpanzees. Right, let's rotate back around. And then we'll show you the other part, which has got the lazy river and the kids park. And there's a little pool as well on the other side, but that's mainly the adult ones. Teenagers, older kids, that sort of stuff. If you've got little kids, sort of like 5 or less, we'll go show you their little part as well now. On the other side you've got the Ferris go-round, Ferris wheel, merry-go-round, as well as the go-kart track as well is located on the other side, so we'll go and show you that. There's that big chute up there, if you can see it better from that angle. So it's initial, it's nearly a vertical drop to begin with, and then it becomes sort of a 30-degree angle. Really nice, cool slide, that one, good fun. You can see the kids' part there in the background. So you can go over two different ways. There's a bridge there, look. Actually, I'll go this way because I'll show you the pool. If we go this way, I'll show you the little kids pool you got this side as well. You got another little kids pool here, but it's actually deeper than we thought it was going to be. With a swim up bar as well. So it's a kids pool, but it's actually quite deep for a kids pool. And then this here is a part of the lazy river. You see how this goes all the way around the kids part? I'll show you that when we get there. Again, it's only open for certain hours of the day. Right, this is the main kids part here. Lots of slides. Lots of seating areas. Show you that from a different angle. Lots of kids rides there. And then this is where you come to the lazy river here. There's your dinghies for that. I think you can have 3 of you on one go, or possibly 2. And again, this is only open for 2 times a day. Sometimes it's 3 times a day. They keep changing the hours as they go along. Well, again, you have to get here for the lazy river at set times. Plenty of seating area. Another little area up here. This is a part of the lazy river here, but when it's not active you can actually get and swim inside there. If you can see, you've got a nice seating area down there, the coffee bar. I don't know if you can just about see that. There are seats down there if you want to chill with the sort of the waterfall around the sides, very nice. And then this is just like another pool really. This goes around the outside of the lazy river, which pretty much goes all the way around here. You can see. And then we're going to go over the bridge now and we'll show you the fairgrounds and that side of it. But that is it in terms of all the slides and the aqua side of things. We'll go back so you can see what to expect when you arrive. As you can see, lots of nice fish themed and animal themed stuff to make it friendly for the kids. So this is actually one of your snack bars as well here on the left. So this opens, I believe it's either 11 or 12, but you can get drinks already, look at the bar. Let me just go around because I don't know how good the lighting is. It's very bright on my screen with the sun here in Egypt. But this is open with your usual snacks. You've got chips, pizzas, hot dogs, salads, fruits. This will all be open, as I said, from 12. And then you've got the little bar there at the end. If you want to drink, you can get that already. But yeah, the food I think starts from 12. So that's your snack bar in the aqua park. And this is that part of the lazy river that continues down here. So those little boats do go down here. It's quite slow, but I suppose it's alright for younger children. Comment down below as well if this video has been useful and it's made you make up your mind about coming to this hotel. Rixos Premium Seagate in Sharm el Sheikh, Egypt. There you have the merry-go-round. This is, be aware, this is $5 a ride. It's not free as a part of the hotel, which is what we thought before we arrived. So yeah, the merry-go-round, if I'm saying that right, and then Ferris wheel, I'll keep bloody mixing the words up, don't I? They are $5 each. Same with that one, $5. They do light up a bit more in the afternoon or in the evening. So yeah, you can go on that as well for $5. You've got a VR experience as well in here. The VR experience there, some little cars for the kids. Don't even know what that one is. Then here is your go-karting circuit. I'll show you the price list because it's quite expensive. There is the price list. You can see that the sun is shining. Again, set hours of the day. And there's your price list. And that's the size of the track. I will hopefully upload a separate video of this anyway. I'm going to get my wife to record me driving around there so you can see what sort of speed to expect. Yeah, it's quite a wide track, so you've got plenty for overtaking, but it's not a full speed racetrack. There's your karts. You got the twin ones, so you can go on there with your kids, or you got the single ones for the adults and teenagers. The minimum age is 7 years old, so if you want to go on the twin kart with your kids, they have to be 7 and up to be able to wear the helmet. We inquired about this yesterday. We was trying to take our 2-year-old on there, but they weren't having none of it. Right, got a little remedy shop here, a little local shop there. You got the giant turtle here from Finding Nemo again. They love the Finding Nemo around here, so it's a very nice park. Cool little yo dude from Nemo, if you all like Finding Nemo. A bit more the racetrack. So this is how it takes you around the top end. Got the little cars truck there. I always forget what the name of that character is. Yeah, it's like a big S shape in a way, isn't it? That is the racetrack. But yeah, $30 for 10 laps is very, very expensive. You know, from the UK, we could probably do 20, 30 laps for that price, and there'll be much faster go-karts. So it's all right if you want a bit of fun while you're on holiday, but yeah, it's quite expensive. But I'm sure you can expect that for hotels like this because you're paying a premium price. They charge you premium for everything. And then this just brings us to a separate entrance. This is where the shuttle bus will drop you off. So if you're on the other side of the hotel and you don't want to walk, this is the bus stop here. So this is where the bus stop will show you. The beginning of the video where it just shows just where you're walking from the hotel. But if you want the bus to drop you off, yeah, if you're staying near the beach, this is literally the grand entrance. That's the roundabout there with the, is it a swan or whatever you call those birds? Yeah, water machine there if you want some water. A nice little water feature here. And we'll show you the rock climbing that you've got over there for the teenagers. I don't know if this is a paid event because I didn't actually inquire about this yesterday, but look, you've got some nice statues over here as well. You've got a giraffe carved out of a tree. So we should have maybe just done a little quick walk around there actually, just to show you, because it's pretty cool what they've done there. Elephants as well, look. Very nice indeed. This should jump the grass, I'll probably get told off for that. Let me zoom out a little bit so you can see that better. There you go. Elephants, look, carved out of a bush. As I've got closer, you know, actually now, I think this is artificial grass, you know, I don't think it is a bush. I think they've just tried to make it look like it is. Let me go and touch it. I think it's artificial grass. Yes, it is. So that's your answer. It's not a real bush. I thought it was. Either way, it still adds to the theme of the park, makes it look a bit unique. You got a lion here. And then rock climbing, yeah, for the older kids. But I don't know how much this is. I've never seen anyone on it, so I don't know if it's actually still in use. You'd have to inquire about it, because there's nobody manning it here. And yeah, there's no ropes or anything even up there. So potentially this rock climbing is out of use. I was just going to try and read the sign over here, see if it says anything. What does it say over there? Climbing wall. No. So I think that's out of use, you know, because it looks a little bit damaged there as well, doesn't it? And the fact that there's no staff ever on there, there's no ropes, I'm presuming that's out of use, which is a shame. And you got the monkey to go with it. Baboon, is it? Yeah, there's the rules again. And that is it. You got some hippos here on the floor, look. That is the whole aqua park. I hope this video has been useful. And as I said, let me turn this around. Yeah, I hope the video has been useful and it's helped you decide whether you do want to come and stay at the Rixos Premium Seagate with your family. It's great fun, as I said, for older kids. I think if your kids are sort of 6 and up, this park is very good. The little ones, like I got a 2-year-old and he doesn't really like the little kids park. It's quite, what's the word I'm looking for? It's, you know, like the water's quite high pressure and he doesn't like it. Some kids might like that, but he doesn't like the water when it's pouring on his head. High pressure, that sort of thing. So yeah, not the best for my 2-year-old, but still good. I've done a couple of the rides myself. That vertical one, that's great fun. So yeah, good for adults, good for older kids, teenagers if you're bringing an older family with you. So yeah, that is the Aqua Park at the Sharm el Sheikh Rixos Premium Seagate. We'll catch you on the next video. Make sure you check out all the other videos we've uploaded for this hotel. Make sure you subscribe and you hit that bell notification as well. Catch you on the next video.